Welcome back. In the Eastern Cape, young children are being used as drug mules in gang-ravaged areas. The problem has caught the attention of the Department of Social Development. The Nelson Mandela Bay northern areas are riddled with gang activity and it's impacting on children in the area.
Exposure to social ills can have a lasting effect on a child. The Department of Social Development is concerned that children could be lost to a culture of crime.
It is truly disturbing and heartbreaking to see the increased levels of crime and substance abuse, particularly in the Nelson Mandela region. Especially because the children are becoming the center of it, because they are being used to sell these drugs, they are being used to transport these weapons, and without those children we would have no future.
Earlier this month, the Eastern Cape Police caught a 10-year-old boy in possession of 500 Mandrax tablets. He was travelling in a taxi from Port Elizabeth to Somerset East. The tablets were in his school bag and had an estimated value of 30,000 rand. The boy said he was not aware that he was carrying drugs. In terms of the Child Justice Act, the child was released into the care of his parents.
If you don't know what you're doing, and you find out and you get in trouble, you're going to be traumatized. You know, it's a horrible experience. Even if a child is not guilty, and they're not guilty in the strictest sense, in the legal sense, when that happens. But it also does mean that, you know, if you engage in those kinds of behaviors, and there's some kind of reward, you know, so you do this, someone comes back and tells you, you know, you've done really well. You might not know exactly what you've done, but you might know that something about it is not okay.
Mandrax mixed with dagga is the drug of choice for many users. The country is one of the largest users of Mandrax worldwide.
The way in which we actually get socialized into accepting those behaviors, you know, because it's wrong from a moral perspective, or it's illegal from a legal perspective. But the point is, you've engaged in a social interaction which actually gives you some positive feedback. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel accepted and part of a grouping.
Police have urged parents to ensure their children do not fall into this trap. Ifwe Poti, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.